Hiring for software product development companies. What we learn in this presentation: salient features of software product companies. What are they? Hiring process, multiple technical interviews, talent selection happens by coding tests and hackathons for experienced professionals with 4 years of work experience, hiring from premier institutions, process-driven work culture, work-life balance, high pay and allowances make software product development companies attract best talent. The top companies currently hiring in India are Google, Meta Platforms, previously known as Facebook, Siemens, Intel, Oracle India Private Limited, NetApp, PMC Software, Tally Solutions and Qualcomm. Siemens, working at Siemens is all about curiosity, open-mindedness and inventive talent. About wanting to know more about the world we live in and finding ways to provide the world with a sustainable future. The industrial world is in the midst of transformation. The digital future of industry is no longer some far-flung promise. Today's products are becoming smarter, more personalized. New insights, new opportunities, new levels of automation at every point of the value chain. These aren't the promises of tomorrow, they are the opportunities of today. For career section, you can log on to www.sw.siemens.com and check out the job openings in the company. Next is Tally Solutions. Over the last 35 years, Tally has estimated 7 out of 10 businesses in India use Tally Solutions as their system of choice for accounting and finance. Company has significant and growing international presence with teams in Middle East, Southeast Asia and other South Asian countries. Company has largest partner network in the IT industry in India with over 28,000 partners. Company is growing family with over 1,000 plus people and have offices across the country in the Middle East, in Africa and in Southeast Asia. NetApp is a product company. It is an innovative storage and data management solutions that helps customers accelerate business breakthroughs and achieve outstanding efficiency. Dedication to principles of simplicity, innovation and customer success has made NetApp one of the fastest growing storage and data management providers today. Customers around the world choose NetApp for go beyond approach and broad portfolio of solutions for business applications, storage of virtual servers, disk-to-disk backup and more. NetApp solutions provide non-stop availability of critical business data and simplify the business processes so companies can deploy new capabilities with confidence and get to revenue faster than ever before. Philips Innovation Center. PIC has built up extensive know-how and expertise in the software engineering and technology domains relevant to its business. Its software expertise primarily in the areas of embedded and information system engineering, architecture design, programming and testing. The IC design expertise is in the areas of logic and circuit design. In addition, competencies in the areas of project management, requirement engineering and quality assurance have been established to offer customers products and services of the highest quality at the fastest time to market and lower cost of ownership. Oracle India. Oracle India empowers businesses that are changing the world by providing them the world's most complete integrated business software, systems and cloud technology. Oracle is a global company focused on helping top talent reach their full potential. At Oracle offers a world of opportunity and an undeniably great place to work. As part of the team, you will have an exciting and high energy work environment, collaborating with some of the sharpest minds in the industry. Qualcomm. It is a company of inventors that unlocked 5G, ushering in an age of rapid acceleration in connectivity and new possibilities that will transform industries, create jobs, and enrich lives. Qualcomm takes inventive minds with diverse skill background and cultures to transform 5G potential into world-changing technologies and products. Selection process for engineering team in product companies is explained in this slide. Hiring the best, absolutely there is no compromise on the candidate, and if they don't find a relevant candidate, they will prefer to wait than to hire. Prefer to hiring from premier colleges including IITs and NITs. Lateral hiring has 7 levels of interviews with a technical panel. Focus is on high IQ and logic and analytical skills. Background verification is done in detail. Drug and medical tests are compulsory in few companies. Few companies prefer to hire engineering team from other product companies. Highest level of technical upgradation is hallmark of product development companies. Compensation and benefits. Product companies attract higher levels of talent which require higher salaries when compared to service companies. Most companies are offering stock options, provide on-site allowances, give employees overseas assignments with liberal perquisites, best workplace and work culture, promote flexi timings, promote enhancement of skills by awarding reimbursement programs for certifications for 1 lakh, and few companies offer up to 2 lakhs per annum. Higher anniversary hikes for the best talent in the range of 15 to 30% increase in the compensation. This is about hiring in software product development companies. Thank you.